Hi everyone. So I want to let everybody know how I'm not getting paid for promoting this. This is just a software that I really like as a world language teacher, especially a Chinese teacher, and you do not see this kind of product on the market. It just have a vast function that really help world language teacher to reduce the workload, be more efficient, and provide more gamified platform for the students to practice at home and for teachers to teach in class. So I'm going to just quickly show you my web page. So instead of an online page that all teacher can log in, each teacher actually you have your own web page. So you have a control panel look like this to enter your stories, sentence, and vocabulary. So once you enter the vocabulary, sentence, and story, this world language game database will be generated and makes games based on the one set of vocabulary sentence or story that you have put in there to generate various different kind of games. So you don't have to be like a Quizlet, Blue Kit, or GimKit, and formative and quizzes, all that you have to constantly create different kind of games by entering your data. So after you enter your vocabulary, you can have students to practice with various games through earn points. And then vocabulary, they can do reading, they can do speaking, listening, and typing. And practice their words. They can also go to sentence, also have all from different kind of aspects to practice their words. And also have stories and story holes, and they can read to the computer, record it, and immediately get feedback. And for pictures, you can have pictures and then they answer questions. So I'm not just going to go in every single one. I'm just telling you a grand view of the function. And there's another accountability. I did not open it right now, that students can practice certain games that you have assigned them to do. After they pass certain points, they can take a quiz, and only when they pass a certain percent of quiz they can submit. If you are like me, that sometimes I just wanted a student to do paper, you can do bingos, flashcards. Cheat sheet means you have one page of all the vocabulary and various games that you can print out. To teach mainly is for teachers to teach in class. You have multiple teams that can competition. It's just so many different games. And then all these based on the vocabulary, sentence, story set that you have entered. You don't have to do anything. This program will generate all the games, similar with sentence and stories. And another feature I really like is that you don't even have to make assessments. You can select the units. Right now is the start of the school, so I only opened the 2 lessons, and then you can tell the in the back control panel, tell what kind of question type you want, either multiple choice, vocabulary, sentence, you can choose. And then students can go there, they can do multiple times, or you can just let them do once, you decide, and you set the timer. And another feature is the study cards. I know that we have Quizlet, but this study cards I really like. Students can put different words into piles of need to study, so they need to know, and be more efficient, just study the words in need study. And then they can also practice words as they are unsure of that word, and then practice the DC sentence. So this software is not just for Chinese, also for Spanish and French. Is this developer, his wife is Chinese, and then he has developed this wonderful app for language teachers that you will not see on the market. That it just, you enter data and then this software will generate all the different kind of games for you. And these are some folders with some key practices, and also student can quickly access all the vocabulary they have learned. You can put sounds, you can have pictures, and just a vast function of it's really cool software. So a very quick grant view. If you're interested, you can contact the developer.